work on our stainless steel pens with our Sweata Weatha pen wrap. So go ahead and unscrew the bottom of the pen and take out the ink and set it aside. Give your pen a little bit of a tap for the plastic insert. Unscrew the top of the pen and take out the spring, and you'll notice one more plastic piece pops out. Set those pieces aside, and then we're going to go ahead and work with the pen wrap. So similar to the groupie pen wrap that we worked on with the Makerflow pen, you are going to crease that backing on the vinyl slightly, just enough that you can line it up on that barrel, and you'll notice that it fits just perfectly on these pen barrels. They're made to fit these pen barrels. So line it up on the stainless steel barrel and gently press down in the center. And then you're going to work your way from the center all the way around while applying light pressure. And that way it gets all the way around. Just kind of roll it as you apply your pressure. So unravel that backing as you apply your pressure all the way around. And then make sure you give where that seam is a really nice crease. Press down really, really well. We want a really nice tight seal there. And that's what it looks like. So now we're going to go ahead and seal it with our UV resin. I am just using a 1/4 inch dowel rod that I happen to have on hand, and I put some blue painter's tape on the end just to make the diameter a little bit bigger to hold that barrel in place. We're going to put our nitrile finger cot on, and we're going to apply our skim coat directly to the wrap and spread it evenly throughout the entire surface of the pen wrap. Make sure that it is applied in a very, very thin coat and try to go in one direction when you can. That helps to eliminate any dust or any particles that might be hiding inside the coat of resin. Once you're finished and you're happy with it, go ahead and put it in the lamp for at least 2 minutes, rotating it in between. And while that's curing, we're going to go ahead and assemble our chain for the dangle. Using flush cutters, I'm going to cut my chain in half because I want a shorter dangle for this pen. Then using a pair of pliers, I'm taking the split jump ring that comes in your kit, and I'm applying the chain and the button charm to it, and then we're going to use another pair of pliers to close the ring. Now to put it all together. So we're taking the part that goes into the top, which has the screw top, then we're taking the plastic piece with the narrow edge and putting that in. Then you're just adding your ink, and then you are going to screw in the bottom of the base and then add the spring to the very top, and then you're going to screw in the pin that finishes it off. Once that's all done, check it, make sure that it clicks easily, and then we're ready to add our charm. Now we're going to put a little bit of skim coat on our mat. It's easier to work off of your mat than it is to apply it directly to the pen as you're trying to apply the ring. You're going to add the frustration-free ring to the very top, and using a silicone brush or whatever you've got around, just add a little bit of resin all the way around the perimeter of the charm holder. That way it seals the charm holder directly to the pen, and you can click in and out very easily without worrying about it coming off or breaking off. Once you have enough resin all the way around and it looks nice and level, just make sure that you're turning the pen when you're finished to let it level out so there's no globs or anything like that. Then we're going to go ahead and stick it in the lamp and cure it for about 2 minutes or so. And now for the finishing touches. Go ahead and put your ring into the split jump ring, and that has your dangle and your charm. Now you're going to take your pen with the ring on it and attach it as well, and then take another set of pliers and close that jump ring so that it's nice and tight, and you are left with an adorable Sweata Weatha with buttons pen.